every normal subgroup of a group G. Normal subgroup of a group G is the kernel of a homomorphism of G. In particular, a normal subgroup N is the kernel of the mapping G to Gn from capital G to the factor group G by N. That is, we have, or to prove, that is to prove N is the kernel of the mapping phi, and also prove phi is a homomorphism. Here phi is a mapping, given that phi is a mapping from G to the factor group G by N, defined by phi of G equal to small g capital N, the factor group or the cosets. Now to prove it is homomorphism, for that we select two elements in G, that x comma y, then phi of xy equal to, by definition, xyn, then the properties of cosets, this can be written as xn then into yn, then what is xn? Gn means phi of g, the xn means phi of x, yn means phi of y. Okay, that is phi of xy equal to phi of x into phi of xy, therefore phi is a homomorphism. And second, to prove kernel phi equal to n. For that we select any element G from kernel phi. So G element kernel phi implies phi of G equal to E, where E is the identity element of the factor group G by N. That element is here named as capital N. The identity element of the factor group or the quotient group G by H is H. The identity element of that group is H. Similarly, the identity element of G, the quotient group N of G or G by N is N. Then what is phi of G? Phi of G by definition G of N. G of N equal to N, which implies G element N. AH equal to H, then A element H by theorem. G element kernel phi implies and implied G element N, which shows N equal to kernel phi. That is, kernel phi is the normal subgroup N, and phi is also isomorphism, hence the theorem 10.4. Okay.